Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into one of the most beloved and timeless home styles, charming cottage house design. If you've ever dreamed of a cozy, storybook-inspired home filled with warmth, character, and inviting details, this is the perfect style for you. So, what exactly is a charming cottage house design? At its core, this style is all about creating a home that feels warm, welcoming, and full of personality. Cottage homes are typically smaller in scale, but they make up for it with character-rich details like pitched roofs, textured exteriors, and cozy layouts. Charming cottage design often blends natural materials such as wood, stone, or brick with soft color palettes and handcrafted elements. Think of it as a home that feels lived in, loved, and slightly nostalgic, almost like stepping into a peaceful countryside retreat. Whether modernized or traditional, cottage homes focus on comfort over perfection and beauty over formality. One of the biggest benefits of a charming cottage house design is the sense of comfort it creates. These homes are designed to feel intimate and cozy, making them perfect for relaxation and everyday living. The smaller scale also makes maintenance easier and often more cost-effective compared to larger homes. Another advantage is their timeless appeal. Cottage homes rarely go out of style because they rely on classic elements rather than trends. This makes them a smart long-term investment both emotionally and financially. Additionally, cottage designs often emphasize natural light, outdoor connection, and thoughtful layouts, helping homeowners feel more connected to nature and their surroundings. Finally, these homes encourage personalization. From garden spaces to decorative details, cottage homes give you the freedom to express your personality in a way that feels authentic and charming. Decorating the exterior of a charming cottage house is all about creating curb appeal that feels inviting and natural. Start with soft, earthy color palettes. Whites, creams, pastels, or muted tones work beautifully. Pair these with natural materials like stone pathways, wooden doors, or exposed beams. Landscaping plays a huge role. Think lush gardens, climbing roses, and flowering plants that frame the house organically. Avoid overly structured designs. Cottage gardens should feel slightly wild yet intentional. Details matter. Add window boxes, vintage-style lighting, shutters, or a welcoming front porch with cozy seating. A picket fence or gravel driveway can further enhance that storybook feel. The goal is to create a home that looks like it belongs naturally in its environment while inviting people in. The best elements of cottage house design come together to create a harmonious and cozy aesthetic. Architectural features like steep gabled roofs, dormer windows, and asymmetrical layouts add visual interest and charm. These elements make each cottage unique rather than uniform. Natural textures are essential. Stone walls, brick facades, and wooden accents bring warmth and authenticity. Large windows or glass extensions can modernize the design while still maintaining the cozy cottage feel by allowing plenty of natural light. Another key element is scale and proportion. Cottage homes often feel balanced and approachable, never overwhelming. Combined with thoughtful landscaping and decorative details, these elements create a home that feels both beautiful and livable. Now, let's look at the top 10 charming cottage house design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible design's ideas. 1. Rustic brick cottage with glass extension. A stunning blend of traditional and modern, this design features classic brickwork paired with a bright glass extension. The mix creates a cozy yet open living space while maintaining timeless charm. 2. Coastal blue cottage with front porch. This vibrant blue cottage offers a refreshing coastal vibe, complete with a welcoming front porch and symmetrical design that feels both relaxed and polished. 3. Stone cottage with floral garden. A picturesque stone home surrounded by colorful flowers, this design captures the essence of countryside, living with its textured facade and lush landscaping. 4. Classic white wraparound porch cottage. This home emphasizes comfort with its spacious wraparound porch, perfect for relaxing afternoons and social gatherings in a serene setting. 5. Storybook thatched roof cottage. With its iconic thatched roof and blooming garden, this cottage looks straight out of a fairy tale, offering unmatched charm and character. 6. Modern cottage with Tudor accents. This design combines clean white walls with dark trim and architectural detailing, giving a modern twist to traditional cottage aesthetics. 7. English countryside cottage lane. A charming cluster of cottages along a gravel path, surrounded by greenery, evokes a peaceful village atmosphere full of warmth and nostalgia. 8. Elegant white cottage with driveway. Featuring a clean white facade and structured landscaping, this cottage blends sophistication with classic charm. 9. Symmetrical cottage with classic details. This home showcases balanced architecture with shutters, dormer windows, and a welcoming front entrance that feels timeless. 10. Southern cottage with front porch charm. A bright and airy design with columns and a raised porch, this cottage exudes southern elegance and comfort. Charming cottage house design is more than just a style. It's a lifestyle that embraces comfort, beauty, and simplicity. Whether you prefer rustic, coastal, or modern interpretations, cottage homes offer endless inspiration for creating a warm and inviting space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which cottage style is your favorite. And as always, stay inspired with Better Homes designs.